Good morning everyone. My name is Saket. I live in Dubai and I am in 6th grade. I joined TinkerCoders 1 month back and I am learning textual based Python coding, beginner level. I have learned loop and conditional statements till now, and so far my favorite Python projects are LCM and reverse of a number using loop. So let me show you both of the projects. These are my two favorite projects, LCM and reverse of a number. So I'm going to be running LCM of a number. Now I'm going to enter 2 and 4. The LCM will be 4. And then I'm going to enter 20 and 10. And the LCM is 20. Now I'm going to run reverse of a number. And I'm going to enter 258, and the reverse should be 852. Yes. And then I'm going to enter 9527, and the reverse should be 7259. Yes. Thank you. And I enjoy learning Python from TinkerCoders.